the 2018 AIA OSS Telematch and Mini Carnival game. We want you to be fit, we want you to be healthy, we want you to be out and about, being active. You ready for the game? That is what I'm talking about.
Welcome all of you, our valued staff, to this event today. Have a great time and please accept our gratitude and our thanks for doing a terrific job at AIA OSS.
Okay, ladies and gents, it looks like we're ready to go. The games have started.
First place is F2.
Congratulations, S2! Thank you for participating. Thank you for being who you are. Healthier, longer, better lives, and being AIA's preeminent service provider. Enjoy your weekend. Bye-bye!